keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. This is Massey with my Sparkle DIYs. I'm super excited to share with you guys today's 6 Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs. Today's video is also a collab with my super sweet friend Nicole at the Week's Nest. Nicole also creates Dollar Tree DIYs, and if you like my channel, I know you're going to love hers. The link to her channel will be in the description down below for you guys to check it out and show her some love. Nicole is super sweet and I love her DIYs, especially her Christmas projects. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the first DIY. For the first DIY, I got these 2 Christmas trees and this little Christmas tree decor piece from Dollar Tree. First, I removed the extra pieces since I only need the tree and the bottom. After that was done, I stained all the wooden pieces with wood stain.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is.
This pic is from Hobby Lobby. I removed some of the little balls to glue to the top and each side of the big trees and one on the little one.
This moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
To support the trees to the vase, I glue a piece of wood I already had.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
For the second DIY, I found this splatter screen at Dollar Tree and I removed the center.
And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling.
Once that was done, I took a Target dollar spot wreath and opened it and cut it in the center with a wire cutter.
And we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine.
To make the 2 little bells, I got these little cups from Dollar Tree. With a small screwdriver, I open a hole in the top and also use it to paint the bells.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday.
With a piece of black yarn, I'm hanging the little cups.
Now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer.
To make the clapper, I spray painted a Dollar Tree stick gold, then cut 2 little pieces.
I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday.
You can also use a little bell from Dollar Tree or anything else you want to create the bell clappers.
Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it.
And to finish the wreath, I made a bow. Since I only need the frame, I remove the canvas. With the X-Acto knife, I cut a piece of a black Dollar Tree poster board, and before I glue them together, I stained the frame. Now I'm going to paint white 2 of these ornaments from Dollar Tree, then glue them to the center of the sign. For this DIY, you need 2 of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. The first step is to open the tree to one side only, leaving the other side flat, and do the same to the other tree. Attach the 2 trees together using some of the branches. To create the vase, I got these wood planks at Dollar Tree. You need 8 and this package only has 6, so you will need 2 packages in total. Made 4 pieces gluing 2 wood planks together with craft sticks, then I'm going to stain them. Glue all 4 pieces together using wood glue and let it dry for a few hours. Cut a piece of foam board for the bottom. Then I added foam inside to insert the tree. To make the vase look a little bit more rustic, I distressed the vase with black paint. These deer stickers are from Walmart and I glue one to the vase using Mod Podge. Finally, after adding fairy lights to the tree, I made a bow on the top. I painted the lid black. This sand that I'm using is from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree also has white sand, or you can also use fake snow. Then inserted inside the jar 2 little Dollar Tree Christmas trees and a little deer I took from a Dollar Tree ornament. All of these little ornaments are from Walmart. I'm going to go with the wooden one for this project. For the last DIY today, I spray painted this glass jar from Dollar Tree black. This greenery I already had. They are super old and you can use any picks and stems you already have at home. With the wire cutter, I cut the garland in 2 pieces and I'm going to insert both pieces inside the jar. Now, using the same ribbon I used in the previous DIYs, I made a bow on the top of the vase. And for the final step, using the same pick as DIY number 1, I glue some of the little white balls in some of the stems. Okay, mis amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to check Nicole's channel and I will see you soon. Bye!